Hello third graders, today we are going to collaborate in this Padlet wall. We are going to share what we like to do. First, you have to come to this page by copying the link I gave you on the guide in the browser. When you are here to post, you have to click this pink circle we have on the bottom of the page. This box is going to come out, and here is where you're going to write. On the title, you are going to write your name, your grade, and your section. If you are section A, B, C, or D. Then, like it says in the instructions, we are going to write the sentence, I like to, and now we are going to write one of the verbs from the list that we have in our book, the activity that you like to do. In my case, I like to cook. You have to add a complement so your sentence is complete. In my case, I'm going to add lunch for my family. Remember to end your sentence with a picture. We have to add a picture of the activity that we like to do. So we're going to click this arrow. It says upload. Click it. Then here you have the word pick file. Click here and it's going to direct to another window. And here we are going to double click in the picture that we have. Or you can take a picture of yourself and also upload that picture. Now, here I have it complete and I click outside. We have 3 periods here. It says that we can do more actions. We can change the color of our post. I like orange, and my post is going to become orange. Or we can change the sentence if we don't like that verb, or we can change the picture if we don't like it. Now, if you like the activities that your classmates are doing or they like to do, you can give your opinion by clicking on the heart. So that's it, guys. This is all we have to do in this Padlet board. I hope to see, and I really hope to see all of your activities. So thank you for watching and start posting.